Hi, this is Peter here from J&J Electrical on our Like a series called Watch on Wednesdays. For this month, we're here in the bush, close to Bala Bala, and I'm thinking we're going to do this series on electric fences. There's a couple of interesting facts about them. Have you ever actually wondered how dangerous these electric fences are? How many people have killed? Are they able to kill an animal? And to whom are they the most dangerous to? Well, due to the way we set up electric fences, they are not lethal at all to humans. Yes, there's extremely high voltage going through them, but it's only for a very short time. In South Africa, I only know of one person that has ever actually died from an electric fence, and it's a very interesting story. So, the person who was working on an electric fence, just like this one, and what happened was, I think the electric fence was on, got electrocuted, took about 9 or 10 steps backwards, fell on the road, and immediately got hit by a taxi driver. So yes, the only person that has ever died in South Africa due to an electric fence was due to a taxi.